Hi, welcome back. Today I've got a really quick, easy craft for you. This is one that you can change the look of, so I've gone for a bit of a kitsch sort of look for this one, which suits my style for my sort of Christmas, but there's loads and loads of different options you can do with these, and again, they're so simple, literally just pom-poms and string, so anyone can do this one, and it's really quick. If you just want something extra to add to your Christmas decor, then this is a great option. So let's get going. So for the tall one, I've actually just repurposed an Amazon envelope. I thought this was quite good to use actually because it's quite sturdy but also fairly thin. And what you need to do is just roll this up into a cone shape, just exactly how you want it to look. So this one I've made like quite skinny and tall. Make sure you wrap it round tightly with some tape, all the way around. And you just need it to sort of hold together. Next step, we just need to cut the bottom so it's flat, so it stands nicely on its own. You can use scissors or a craft knife for that. Again, don't worry too much about how you've done the tape because you're going to cover it with string. So I've just got this garden twine, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the Old Faithful glue gun, attach it at the top and then just spin it round. It's actually quite therapeutic, just twisting and covering it in the string. You could use wool or any other kind of string for this, but this one's actually garden twine, so it has that really nice, this sort of more rustic effect to it, which I quite like. So just periodically as you go through, add some more glue with your glue gun just to stop it from unravelling. You only need a little bit really. You could use other types of glue. You can't go wrong with a hot glue gun essentially. So again, just keep spinning it round and covering it all the way around. It doesn't matter if you weren't too neat with the tape because this will keep it stuck together. So once you've got it all the way down, I've just glued on the top some coloured pom-poms just for that extra little bit of a flourish, but there's so many different options with these. And that's it, and it'll stand up nicely on its own, but I think it needs a pal, so let's make another one. So for this one, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm just using a piece of A4 card. I've chosen one that's sort of a light colour because, as you'll see when I glue on all of the pom-poms, you're never going to get every single little space, every gap filled in. So you just want something that's not going to clash too much with whatever colour your pom-poms are. So again, just rolling it up into a little cone. Make sure you're using enough tape to keep it stuck this time, definitely, because you're not wrapping it with the string. You don't have that extra support, so really tape it well. It doesn't look great at this moment in time, but it will when once it's covered in pom-poms. Again, me with my trusty glue gun. And then all you need to do is just put little bits of glue on and then pop your pom-poms on all the way through. I'm not doing it in any pattern or anything, I'm just going rogue, putting them on randomly. And I appreciate that the bright colours and everything isn't everyone's cup of tea, especially at Christmas, but that's the great thing about crafting. You can make things exactly how you want them. So I'm going in with all the colours here. And it's just as simple as that, hot glue and pom-poms. So, and again, obviously it's so easy and it's a really quick one to do. I'll be honest, I haven't actually got my Christmas tree up yet, so this is the closest that I've got to putting the Christmas tree up this year. So hopefully the festive spirit takes hold of me and I'll get the tree up soon. And there we go, that's it, full of pom-poms, perfect little tree to match all of the rest of my kitsch Christmas decorations. Really simple, but it's just so effective, and I think it looks really nice next to this more organic looking one. I've seen loads of people making these this year, and I just love how easy they are to personalise it to exactly how you want your decorations to look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can see when I upload next. I've got a few other things in the pipeline, so stick around for those. And again, thanks for your support, and I'll see you next time.